Hello guys, my name is John Michael E. Reyes and I'm back again with the Chapter 2 Packet Tracer Skill Integration Exam. To be precise, the Skill Integration Challenge exam is in 2.4.1.2, and let's start to configure it. Then addressing table, this is somewhat the things that we should do. Then objectives, configure host names and IP address onto Cisco Internetwork Operating System (iOS), switching using command line interface or CLI. Use Cisco iOS commands to specify or limit access to the device configurations. Then use iOS command to save the running config. Then configure two host devices with IP addresses. Verify connectivity between the two PC and devices. So the scenario would be, as a recently hired LAN technician or local area network technician, your network manager has asked you to demonstrate your ability to configure a small LAN or local area network. Your task includes configuring initial setting on two switches using the Cisco iOS and configuring IP addresses parameter on host devices to provide end-to-end connectivity. You are to use two switches and two host PCs on a cable-10 powered network. So these are the requirements of this activity. The use a console connection to access each switch. Name ASW-1 and ASW-2 switches. Use the 8UBU RU password for all lines. Then use the C9WRE secret password for the secret password. Encrypt all clear text passwords. Then include the warning in the message of the day or moti banner. Then configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table. Then save configuration and verify connectivity between all devices. So that would be pretty easy because it's only the chapter 2. Then first of all, use console connections to access each switch. So we will use the console connection. Then we will connect. Then this one would be console. This one start. This. So we've already cleared the console connection to access the switch. Then name both switches with AS1 and ASW2. So let's go. Sorry for that. Then it is the default, so okay. As you can see, we are already connected with the switch with our computer. So first is enable. Then the first thing we do is change the host name. So configure terminal. Then host name. What is the first host name? Then let's copy this one. Then paste. Then the host name, the first switch is the ASW1, and let's check the other switch. Then desktop, terminal, this the default, then just okay it. Then enable, configure terminal. Then let's just copy this host name, then paste it in here. Oh no, would be host name, then copy, And we've cleared the second requirement. So the third requirement is use 8UBRU password for all lines. So it would be, let's copy that, then let's go for, then we will go to line console 0, then password paste PRU, then login, exit. Then we would go to other lines, the line VTY 0 to 15, then password BU, login, then exit. Then for the other switch, we would do the same, then line console 0, and the password would be same password, then login, exit, then line GTY, and it's your password paste, then login, exit. Then we've cleared all the third requirement of this one. Then the second requirement is the use the C9 for secret password. So they should be in enable secret. Or I think it's enable secret. Enable secret. Or no. Enable secret. Yes, enable secret C9. Then after that, we would do the same thing for the other command. Enable secret. It's C9. Yeah, it's C9. Then after that, then let's X this, X again, then let's go encrypt all clear password, text password. So sorry for closing that. Then service password encryption, in order to encrypt service password encryption encrypts all the plain text password. Then for the other one, service password encryption. Sorry for that. Wrong spelling. Then we've cleared these 5 requirements. So the 6th requirement would be the message of the day warning. So that would be banner mode, then warning. Then for the other command, banner mode, warning, just like that. Then configure address for the device according to the addressing table. So these are the addressing table. So AS1, I think where's the AS1? This one would be the AS1. Then this one is VLAN 1. The IP address would be 128. Then let's go for the interface VLAN 1. Then interface VLAN 1. Then the IP address would be this. Let's copy this IP address and paste. Let's paste that. incomplete command. The address can be placed at 19. I think it's the point 20.10. Then the subnet mask would be 2.5 to 255.0. Then the no shutdown command in order for the system to be shut down. Then after that, you should exit. Then the other switch, that's me. The other switch would be interface VLAN 1, IP address. IP address would be in the user to is 128.107.20.30. The subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Then the no shutdown command. After that, exit. Then as you can see, we've already placed the switches IP address, so we will now put the IP address for the users. So it would be just like this. You should copy this one and paste it here. Then this would be 255. Then the other one would be copy this one. Then where's that? Oh, not that one. I think it's somewhat. Wait. Oh, it's not 30, I think. Sorry for that. Then first of all, let's see if the it's 10, so this one should be X. It's the one who's 30. Yeah, that IP address should not be 30. Sorry for that. Interface VLAN 1, then IP address is 128.107.20.15, not 30. Sorry for that. We just submit mask of. Let's show you we have an error. No shutdown. Then exit. After that, let's try to use the 30 IP address in here. As you can see, it already accept the 30, so it's all good. Then the next one would be verify the connective. I think now save your configuration. So in order to save the configuration, we just, I think it's just exit, then right after it's already saved, then the other one would be like just like that, exit, then right. After we save the configurations, let's try to test the connectivity. Then what's the command prompt ping. Let's try to ping the first switch. One two 8.107.20.10. Or the other one. Then as you can see, you can connect to the other switch, then it's all good. Then the activity is complete, and as you can see, completion 90/90. Thanks for watching. That's all.